Happy New Year everyone! Ayan, ito ang aming simpleng handaan. Ayan. Simple lang kasi konti lang kami dito sa bahay. So, we have money here, Hong Kong dollars, peso, may iba't ibang currency, iba't ibang bansa. We have here a prosperity bowl. Mapaswerte daw sabi nila. Ayan. We have wine and then fruits. Grabe, ang daming fruits namin. Tapos, ayan, mga chocolates and chocolate coins. Ayan, may pang beer pa. Andun yung iba sa ref. Tapos, ayan, 13 fruits ang prutas. And then we have here soft drinks, of course. And then Dunkin' Donuts. We have a buko pie. Ayan. We have a yema cake. So, ayan ang ating simpleng handaan for today's video. Happy New Year, everyone!